Move to next line. While typing a sentence, if you want to start a new line or move to the next line, you can easily do it with the help of Enter key. Enter key. The key which helps us to move the cursor to the next line or start a new line is called Enter key. It is also called Return key. There are two Enter keys on the keyboard, usually found in the middle of alphabet keys and in the number keypad. Caps Lock key. The key which locks the alphabet keys to type in capital letters only is called Caps Lock key. It is a type of on or off key. When the Caps Lock key is on, capital letters are typed, and when it is off, small letters are typed. Caps Lock off, computer. Caps Lock on, computer. After listening carefully to her father, Neha said, Backspace key.
I make many mistakes while writing in my notebook and use the eraser to correct them. Is there any eraser present on the keyboard?
Sometimes we also make mistakes while typing on the computer. And to correct these mistakes, we have backspace key and delete key on the keyboard. The key which erases anything typed on the left of the cursor is called the backspace key. You can easily find it at the end of the number keys, marked with a backward arrow. Look at the words given below. Have you noticed that the letters S from the word computer and cursor moved backward? You wanted to write, My name is computer. You mistyped it as, My name is computer. Place the cursor after letter S. Hit the backspace key once. The letter S is erased. The word now becomes computer. Delete key. The key which erases anything typed on the right of the cursor is called the delete key. You can easily find it on the next of the Enter key and on the left of numeric keypad. Look at the words given. Have you noticed that the letters C and O are erased from the word computer, but the cursor remained at its place? Note, delete key is also used to remove the text or the object. Arrow keys. Keys that are used to move the cursor left, right, up and down are called arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys, one for each direction, and marked with pointing arrows. Cool fact, arrow keys are also known as cursor control keys. Function keys. On the top row of a keyboard, there are 12 function keys, which are marked as F1 to F12 that perform different functions. You will study the uses and actions of these function keys in higher class. Note, you will study the use and function of some more keys on the keyboard such as Shift, Tab, Control, etc. in higher class. Notepad program. Notepad is a very useful program on your computer that you can use to type simple text. With the help of your teacher, get the Notepad program opened and practice the keys on the keyboard. Note, you should gently press the keys of the keyboard so that they do not get damaged. Quick refresh. Keyboard is used to type on a computer. The small buttons on the keyboard are called keys. The alphabetical keys are used to type alphabets. The number keys are used to type numbers. Spacebar key is used to give space between two letters, words and numbers. Enter key is used to start a new line. Caps Lock key is used to type in capital letters. Backspace and delete keys are used to erase text. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor. Notepad is a program on the computer that can be used to type simple text.